Back again, the doctor. And today's patient is 2005 Buick Rainier 4.2 CXL. The throttle body is not acting right here. We gave it a couple of tests to see if it turns on, and it turned on, but it started coughing. That's your throttle body right there, right in here. So I'm going to show you how to change it. Very easy, very simple steps. And these are the tools I'm going to use. We got our throttle body, flathead screwdriver, 10 millimeter, and a 10 millimeter wrench right there. That's all we're going to use. Start, flathead. I'm going to come right over here.